Yeah, there it is. There's that alarm. It means one thing and one thing only. You know what that is, Looney Bird?
Yeah, I mean somebody's trying to make off with all the game tokens.
No, it means it's a birthday party here. We're having a birthday party and it's time for a birthday song.
Okay, birthday time. We got a little prize for you.
This ain't no disco.
Disco.
This ain't no country song either.
No country song.
This is your birthday tune.
Your birthday too.
All I wanna do is have a little slice of birthday cake. Says a man sitting next to me out of nowhere. Apropos of nothing, he says his name is William Robert, but I'm sure it's Bill or Billy or Philly Bob.
That's not right.
And he's as plain as he can be. But he says he has a lot of fun every day of his whole life. And we are sitting here at noon on Tuesday in a bus that faces a giant playground. And the good kids of the world are working hard on the monkey bars, swinging and swaying as best as they can with birthday hats and horns. The driver honks his horn and says, "Come aboard, bring mom and dad and grandma too." 'Cause y'all are just like Billy Bob and me.
And me too.
All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. All I wanna do is have some fun. Until the sun comes up and mom and dad are still cleaning the floor.
You missed a spot.
I like to bake a birthday cake early in the morning, and Billy Bob likes to peel the labels off the frosting jars and shreds them on the floor. Then he lights every match in an oversized pack, letting each one burn down to his sticky fingers before huffing and puffing them out. Then he watches the jars of frosting as they spin on the floor. He sticks those sweet candles in the birthday cake, dangerously close to one another. Mom gives him one of those dirty looks. He says, "My bad, Mom. All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling the party has just begun. All I wanna do is have some fun until the sun comes up and Mom and Dad are still cleaning the floor."
Need a little soap over here, Mom? Yeah, you missed the spot over here.
Try some ammonia.
Yeah, got this party going.
Otherwise, this party's ours.
Yeah.
All day and night and tomorrow too.
Oh, yeah.
The matches and the jars and the trick candles. The sun and the moon. All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling the party has just begun. All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. All I wanna do is have some fun until the sun comes up and Mom and Dad are still cleaning the floor. Until the sun comes up and Mom and Dad are still cleaning the floor. cantando el cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti, que los cumplas en tu vida, que los cumplas feliz. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti,
Your birthday candle. Make the lovely light of the night as bright as your eyes blow out the candle. Make your wish come true. Oh, we love to do this with you. 'Cause we love you so. 'Cause we love you so.
Oh yeah, wait a minute, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, look and see. Oh yeah. Let's dance in a big party. It's your birthday, let's have fun. Come on now. Celebrate till the day is done. You waited till for this very day to celebrate in a special way. It's your birthday, let's have fun. You celebrate till the day is done. Oh, it's your birthday. Big party. It's your birthday, let's have fun. Come on now. Celebrate till the day is done. Greetings, Rockefeller fans. I'm Duke LaRue, and at this time, I'd like to introduce our birthday host himself, Billy Bob.
Thank you, Duke. You know, folks, one of our favorite traditions celebrating birthdays. And whenever one of our friends is having a birthday, we love to send out our best wishes with a song. Ain't that right, Looney Bird?
That's right, Big Bob. And I got the refreshments in my barrel.
Now, I don't believe corn squeezing goes too good with pizza, Looney Bird.
Well, maybe not, but it sure beats anchovies.
We're having a party.
How'd you like the party too?
Won't you itch to get started?
It's time to sing away the blues.
We want you all to gather round and celebrate our happy sounds. Just let the Come on, everybody, join me in the Looney Bird.
Yeah, you're out too.